So first I'm going to put some minced garlic, some onions, and then some sausage into the pot and let it simmer. Season, lots of garlic. So I am in the middle of browning the sausage. The onions are at the last part of being translucent. And next up, I am adding the tomato paste. Once the meat looks like this, you can push it all to the side. Add some room for your tomato paste. If it comes out. So now that the tomato paste is in, I'm stirring it around, getting all that wonderful flavor in the meat, the onions, and the garlic. As soon as I have that incorporated, I'm going to be adding crushed tomatoes and tomato puree. It's a lot of cans to open. The first thing I do is I wipe the cans off first and then I open them up. It's a lot. It's a little bit messy sometimes. Usually add, once all the sauce is in, about 1/4 cup to sugar to cut down the bitterness, but you could add sweet and low or stevia as the sugar substitute. So these are the spices I use. I kind of just season into it tastes right to me. I could try to measure it out and figure it out, but I just season until it tastes right.